Hey guys, I rebuilt my skateboard, the Mad Max Mini. I had the 6-inch all-terrain wheels, but I switched to the LED Awoah lights. I even got a brand new VESC. I got brand new motors. I got Torqueboard motors, which 6355, which gives extra power. This is my prototype, but it's a top speed about 35 miles per hour. I just want to show you guys. I actually haven't been able to see myself at night, so let's go ahead and check it out. I think it's going to work great. Let's go ahead and check it out. I don't know, one of the wheels seems to like come on. Oh, now it's turning on real nice. Pretty happy with the results. Do I recommend this mod? Oh hell no, it was like a bitch to install. It's a fucking bitch to install, and I don't recommend it. So that's the truth of it. But I really like the wheels. I feel like I'm not gonna be watching the wheels, but I guess so. Pretty happy with the mod. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, that's it. Ooh, what a ride.